Hey everyone, it is Audrey with socialmediaforbeginners.com, and I know it's been a long time coming doing a new video. Want to apologize, I've been working on some new projects and other projects, but I realized that there is one video that has been having a lot of views and a lot of people are asking me to update it. And so that is what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to send private messages, or also known as direct messages, to friends on Facebook. So without further ado, we're jumping right in and I'm going to show you how to do that. So here we are inside of Facebook, and they're right from your news feed. There's like 3 different places that you can go ahead and send a message. All right. So if you are scrolling along on your news feed and you come across a friend, you can actually mouse over their name and you'll get this little pop-up, and then you'll see message. So if they do have it set to where you can message them, then you can go ahead and click on message. You'll notice that this little box comes up down here at the bottom right, and then you can click. The cursor's already inside there, but you can start typing in your message there. You'll notice that if you mouse over all of these little icons, it'll tell you what you can add. So you can add a photo from your computer, you can choose a sticker, you can choose a GIF if you wanted to send a file or anything, and I believe money. And if you wanted to send money, this is where you would do it as well. Okay, so let's go ahead. Oh, and one other thing is that right here, if you mouse over, you can start a video call with them if they choose. They do have to have their settings turned on to allow you to video chat with them. And then you can also start a voice call with them, and then you have some other options as well. So click on that, go through those options and choose. I think you can change like the color and everything. So we're gonna X out of that. That's the first way. The second way is up here to the right, you'll have messages. And if you click on those messages, what it does is it shows you a list of everybody that you've had a direct or private message with already. So if I wanted to, let's just say I wanted to chat with this friend real quick and send them a private message, then I could type in the message here, click the enter, and it would go to them, and then they would start writing back to me. So that is another way. And of course you still have all of the little icons, same thing. So we'll X out of that. So that was the second way. And then the third way, this actually expands all of your messages and makes it much bigger on your screen. So if you click on the messenger located over here at the top left of your screen, it's a messenger app. It's an app that Facebook created. And so this is also an app that you would be putting on your phone, and you'd have to download the messenger app in order to get those private messages and stuff as well. So let's see, it's taken just a little bit of time. All right, so here you go. You can see all of your friends that you have messaged over here on the left-hand side. So if you want to search for somebody specifically to send them a message, you can do so just by starting to type in their name, and Facebook will auto-populate those of your contacts. So you can just simply click on their name, and then you'll notice over here that this is the person that you will be messaging. So make sure that this is the person that in fact you want to message. Okay, so this is the list of, like I said, all of your friends that you have messaged or that you can message. You can also begin a new message just by simply clicking on new message, and then you can type in the name of the person that you want to send a message to within here. And this is my sister, so this is like the conversation that we've had over here. If I did want to add somebody to this message, then I could just simply start typing in another friend's name, which this is actually my other sister. And then if you wanted some more, if you wanted another person that you wanted to send a message to, you just continue on until you get whoever you want on here. Sorry, this is my other sister. Yep, I've got 3 beautiful sisters. So this is a group message, and you can go ahead and do group messages as well as just sending them individually. So if you say, oh, nope, I just wanted to send it to one of them, what you would do is just hit your backspace key, or you could click on them and hit the delete key. Nope, backspace, just backspace, okay? Now, in order to send a message or to write a message, it's all the way down here to the bottom. So you would click in type a message. You would begin typing a message, I cannot type today, typing a message here, and then either you can hit your enter key or you can come over here and click on the send key right here. Once again, you know, all those little icons, you can just mouse over them and it'll tell you what these icons are. So you can add your files here. You can choose a sticker, add a GIF, do an emoji. You can send your money and even take a picture. Okay, so that is, like I said, just go ahead and click enter and that will move on. So also when you're in Messenger, you can change the settings right here. Click over here and then just do settings. And what it'll do is this is where you can change your active status. So if you don't want anybody to know that you're online and you don't want anybody to message you, you can just click and go offline so they won't be messaging you. Okay, and then I just keep mine on. The sounds are enabled. That means that if you're on your computer and you want to know when somebody messages you, you want to make sure that this box is checked. And if you don't want to be notified, then just uncheck that. Okay, notifications, you can allow Messenger to send you desktop notifications from your browser preferences. Payments, you can manage that on Facebook. Just click through some of these things and it'll explain what it is and how you can set it up. And then your emoji, you can change your emoji to whatever you want, okay? And then I'm just gonna click done, and that was the setting. And that is pretty much it. That's how you can send messages to your friends. Oh, one last thing is that you can actually go to your friend's profile and send them a private message from there. So I'm gonna go over to my sister's profile, and from here, I can just click on message, and then it drops down here to the bottom right again, and then I can continue writing and typing in this box. Okay, and then I forgot to say that you can either press enter or click right here to send the message. All right, so hopefully that helped. Leave any comments, or if you have any questions, I'll be sure to answer them. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be adding a lot more video tutorials on the social media sites here on Social Media for Beginners. You guys have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.